Canada is well prepared for large-scale rollouts of vaccines, but this will be the biggest immunization in the history of the country.
The Prime Minister trying to reassure Canadians a COVID vaccine is coming. And to make sure that happens, Trudeau is calling in the Army.
We are standing up a national operations centre through the Public Health Agency of Canada with the support of the Canadian Armed Forces to coordinate logistics and distribution of vaccines. Major General Danny Fortin will be heading up the logistics and operations within this centre.
Fortin is a former NATO commander who oversaw operations in Iraq. The Prime Minister hopes Fortin and a National Operations Centre will make the COVID-19 vaccine rollout as smooth as possible. Ontario's new point man on the rollout, General Rick Hillier, giving praise to Trudeau's choice.
He is the most incredible leader that I can imagine. I could not praise him enough. I am so absolutely delighted that he is commanding the task force.
The feds under relentless fire to provide details on the vaccine rollout from both provincial and federal leaders.
When are we getting it? What type of vaccine are we getting? And how much of that vaccine are we getting?
Why is Canada at the back of the line when it comes to the COVID-19 vaccine?
On Thursday, officials saying 3 million Canadians could be vaccinated in the first quarter of 2021 if all goes well, and the majority of Canadians by September. The Fed's waiting on 7 companies it has contracts with to come through with a vaccine. The frontrunners, Moderna and Pfizer, are in the final stages of approval, but any vaccine must then be approved by Health Canada before making it to Canadians.
It's a bit of a moving target. We have 2 vaccines which are very promising, but they're still in the process of, quote, going through the regulatory process.
Health Canada is already fast-tracking approval of vaccines and says one could get the green light as early as mid-December. Officials hope soon after that the military can get vaccines moving.
The Canadian Armed Forces will assist on planning, including to meet challenges like cold storage requirements, data sharing, and reaching Indigenous and rural communities.
The government will be providing weekly updates on the vaccine rollout. In Ottawa, Nigel Newlove, City News.